You need to watch this if you struggle with low conversion rates. I bet you didn't know that the average website conversion rate hovers around a measly 2 to 3%. That's right, for every 100 visitors, only a handful take the desired action. It's a statistic that keeps many business owners up at night wondering where they're going wrong. Increasing conversion rates, even by a small margin, can feel like an uphill battle. Many businesses celebrate a 10% improvement as a major victory. But what if I told you that I managed to skyrocket my conversion rate by an astounding 600%? It sounds unbelievable, right? But it's true. And in this article, I'm going to break down the exact steps I took to achieve this remarkable feat. Get ready to revolutionize your understanding of conversion rate optimization. This is the ultimate guide to transforming your website from a visitor graveyard into a conversion powerhouse. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more insights. Let's be real. Seeing that 600% increase wasn't just about luck. It was the result of relentless testing, analyzing, and optimizing. It was about understanding my audience, their pain points, and what truly resonated with them. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the strategies, let me paint you a picture of where I started. My website traffic was decent, but my conversions were abysmal. I knew I had a great product, but I wasn't effectively communicating its value to my audience. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle with low conversion rates. They pour time and money into driving traffic to their websites, only to see visitors bounce without taking action. The good news is that it doesn't have to be this way. By understanding the common challenges that hinder conversion rates, we can start to implement effective solutions. And that's exactly what we're going to do next. One of the biggest conversion killers is a lack of clarity. If your website visitors can't immediately understand what you offer and how it benefits them, they'll hit that back button faster than you can say conversion rate optimization. Another culprit is poor website design and user experience. Is your website easy to navigate? Is it mobile friendly? Is the call to action clear and compelling? If not, you're likely losing valuable conversions. But it's not just about your website. Your marketing efforts play a crucial role in driving the right kind of traffic. Are you targeting the right audience? Are your ads compelling and relevant? Are you leveraging social proof and testimonials to build trust? Identifying these conversion killers is the first step towards eliminating them. Once you understand the obstacles standing between you and higher conversion rates, you can start implementing strategies to overcome them. My journey to a 600% conversion rate increase wasn't about implementing a single magic trick. It was about a series of strategic improvements, each building upon the last. First, I focused on optimizing my website for clarity and user experience. I streamlined the navigation, made the design more visually appealing, and ensured that my value proposition was crystal clear. Next, I honed in on my marketing efforts. I conducted thorough audience research to ensure I was targeting the right people with the right message. I tested different ad creatives and landing pages to optimize for conversions, but my efforts didn't stop there. I implemented A/B testing to continuously experiment with different elements on my website, from headlines to call to action buttons. I analyzed the data meticulously, identifying what resonated with my audience and making adjustments accordingly. Finally, I focused on building trust and credibility. I incorporated social proof, customer testimonials, and case studies to demonstrate the value of my product and alleviate any potential concerns. While all of these steps contributed to my overall success, there was one pivotal change that made all the difference: personalization. I realized that I was treating all my website visitors the same, regardless of their individual needs and preferences. That's when I decided to implement dynamic content that adapted to each visitor's browsing history, interests, and behavior. I created personalized landing pages, email sequences, and even website copy that spoke directly to each individual. The results were astounding. By tailoring my messaging and offers to each visitor, I was able to significantly increase engagement, build stronger connections, and ultimately drive more conversions. This was the turning point in my conversion rate optimization journey. It was the aha moment that transformed my website from a generic platform into a personalized experience. So there you have it, my blueprint for achieving a 600% conversion rate increase. It's not about magic tricks or shortcuts. It's about understanding your audience, optimizing your website, and delivering a personalized experience that converts. Remember, conversion rate optimization is an ongoing process. It requires continuous testing, analyzing, and refining your strategies, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By implementing the steps outlined in this article, you can transform your website into a conversion powerhouse and achieve remarkable results for your business. Don't let low conversion rates hold you back. Embrace the power of optimization and watch your business soar. Now it's your turn. Have you experienced the frustration of low conversion rates? What strategies have you tried to improve your results? Share your experiences, wins, and challenges in the comments below. I'm always excited to hear from fellow entrepreneurs and marketers. Let's learn from each other and continue to push the boundaries of conversion rate optimization. And don't forget to stay tuned for my next article, where I'll be sharing even more advanced tips and tricks to skyrocket your conversions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. Your support means a lot.